Hello everyone, welcome back to GKToday YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to discuss about Kisan Kalyan mission of Uttar Pradesh. So the Uttar Pradesh government is to launch Kisan Kalyan mission. So now let's discuss that what are the key features of Kisan Kalyan mission. So the Kisan Kalyan mission aims to double the farmer income covering all the assembly constituencies of the state of Uttar Pradesh. And this is to be achieved through campaigns that create awareness among farmers on how to reduce agricultural cost by using fertilizers in a balanced manner. The mission will also encourage farmers to time their cultivation of crops according to the demand of the market. Further, the mission aims to create agricultural diversification. So, under the mission, several programs such as exhibition of agriculture and associate sector, including the products of micro, small, and medium enterprises, missions, and livelihood missions, are to be launched. Further, the mission will act as a unified platform for several state governments departments such as Mandi Parishad, Animal Husbandry, Horticulture, Sugarcane Food and Supply, Fisheries, and Panchayati Raj. This mission is also going to provide contemporary information about saving the Rabi crop, and it will provide solutions on preventing the next crop from damage. Further, the mission will also distribute Kisan credit cards. So now what is the role of Kisan Vigyan Kendra in Kisan Kalyan mission? So the Kisan Kalyan mission is to deploy the experts of Krishi Vigyan Kendra. These experts are to share their knowledge on advanced techniques of farming and how to increase income of farmers. Krishi Vigyan Kendra are agricultural centers that focus on agricultural research in practical and localized setting. So these centers are linked to Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Now the question arises that what are the activities that are undertaken by the Kisan Kalyan mission? So basically this mission will provide 100% coverage to bovine vaccination for foot and mouth disease. It will cover eradication of sheep and goat plague. It will make sure of the distribution of mini kits of oil seeds and pulses, artificial insemination and demonstration of programs on micro irrigations, demonstration of integrated cropping practice. So basically, what is Kisan Kalyan Abhiyan? See, the Kisan Kalyan Abhiyan was launched in 2018 by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. It aims to help farmers in improving their farming techniques, and the objectives and intention of Kisan Kalyan Abhiyan is same as that of Kisan Kalyan Mission. So now let's also discuss that what is the main difference that is between Kisan Kalyan Abhiyan and Kisan Kalyan Mission. So this Kisan Kalyan Abhiyan is being implemented by the central government. On the other hand, the Kisan Kalyan Mission is implemented by the Uttar Pradesh state government. The Kisan Kalyan Abhiyan has chosen 112 aspirational districts in the country. The aspirational districts with more than 1000 population have been selected. So the factor of aspirational district is absent in the Kisan Kalyan mission of Uttar Pradesh government.